In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change title and meta tags in GoDaddy. If you want to improve how your website appears in search results, updating your title tag and meta description is a simple but important step. These elements help search engines understand your page, and they also influence what people see before they click on your site. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find these settings inside GoDaddy and how to update them correctly. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your profile area and click on it. From there, go to My Products. This section shows the services and tools connected to your account, including your website products. Next, find Website Plus Marketing and click Manage. This will take you to the control area for your site. Once you're there, choose Edit Website so you can access the website editor and make changes directly. After the editor opens, go to Settings. This is where you'll find several site-level options, including tools related to search visibility. Inside Settings, click Get Found on Google. This section is designed to help you optimize how your website pages appear in search engines. Now, select the page you want to optimize. This step matters because title tags and meta descriptions are usually set page by page. Make sure you're working on the correct page, whether that's your home page, a service page, or another important section of your site. Once you've selected the page, enter the new title tag in the headline field. Your title tag should clearly describe the page and include the main keyword or phrase you want that page to rank for. Try to keep it specific and relevant so both users and search engines immediately understand what the page is about. Then, write your description in the description field. This should be informative and natural sounding. A good meta description gives a short summary of the page and encourages people to click when they see it in search results. Keep it clear, useful, and closely related to the actual content on the page. When you're happy with the updates, save your changes. That's it. Your new title tag and meta description are now updated in GoDaddy. As a quick tip, make sure each page has a unique title and description, rather than repeating the same text everywhere. This helps with SEO and gives each page a better chance of performing well in search.